From the time that my great-grandfather founded this company in 1935, we have consistently found creative and innovative ways to feed people responsibly. With a population that is estimated to grow by an additional 2 billion people over the next 30 years, and rising incomes driving a preference for more protein in the diet, we serve an important role in ensuring global food security. More than ever, our work is occurring against the backdrop of a world that is more complex, and we must continue to demonstrate creativity and innovation to build a more sustainable, accessible food system. The idea is bigger than just doing better. We must think differently about how we solve the world's most complex and important food system challenges, and we're up for it. Back in September 2020, Tyson Foods became the first major U.S. food company to work with Where Food Comes From to verify sustainable production practices at scale in our beef supply chain through the Beef Care program, an industry-leading sustainability verification program for cattle ranchers. We've also been a leader on animal welfare. In partnership with the University of Arkansas, we launched the Center for Sustainable Broiler Welfare Research. This facility is enabling measurable, preference-based welfare and health studies with broiler chickens that will improve how we operate for years to come. On water, we continue our work with the World Resources Institute to build upon previous initiatives that included a water risk assessment focused on our exposure to water stress within our processing facilities and the development of a water stewardship strategy. We're currently working to establish contextual water targets which consider the local environments and conditions to make meaningful change. And finally, the expansion of our international footprint in recent years has resulted in the need to reassess the risk of deforestation across our operations and supply chain. That's why in October 2019, we engaged ProForest to help conduct a deforestation risk assessment across our global agricultural supply chain, focusing on 4 key commodities: cattle and beef, palm oil, soy, and pulp, paper, and packaging. The assessment concluded that 94% of our land footprint is at no to low risk. To proactively address the 6% at risk, we developed and publicly released a forest protection standard, which outlines the steps we will take to continue minimizing deforestation risk and protect the forest in the geographies where we source commodities with the highest potential risk. Now, we recognize that to drive environmentally and socially responsible progress while leveraging strong corporate governance, we must have measurable, top-down goals and accountabilities within our organization. This is precisely the reason that in early 2021, our board unanimously agreed to the addition of ESG oversight to its board charter. The dedication of our team members, the support of the communities where we live and work, and the customers who trust us every day to deliver satisfying and nutritious food all play a part in our ability to deliver sustainable food around the world for generations to come. We're dedicated to delivering sustainable food at scale for our growing world. Fulfilling this mission requires protecting and respecting natural resources as we grow our business, including the land, water, and energy needed to grow ingredients, raise animals, and run our facilities. Throughout our history, we have always found newer, better ways to feed people responsibly, and will continue to do that through innovative, responsible agriculture.